Back in civilian life, Vernon continued developing a number of acts, combining sophisticated magic with costumes, makeup, and masks. In 1943, his wife Jean was busy making sketches for his newest and most ambitious act yet. He would be the Harlequin. Jean would play the assistant.
Even there, he didn't do illusions. He still did sleight of hand. He would produce a coconut and throw it up in the air, and it would turn into a monkey, and he'd take off his gloves and throw them up, and it would be a dove. It was all done to classical music. It was a kind of a different approach to magic in those days.